friends, welcome you all with my question set 21 for the database management system 1. Here, this question set 21 is also based with this scenario. That means this scenario I have discussed in my 16th video. So from 16th video up to now, all the questions are based with this scenario. So I request you all to watch my previous videos also if you haven't watched them already before watching this video. So here this is the question set 21. Then I have to answer these sub questions in this video. So let's think about the first one. What is the highest mark obtained in the first term mathematics subject? So for that we have to write a query for gaining the highest mark obtained in the first term mathematics subject. So okay, let's write the query. Select max. Max from this table where this where condition, then it fulfills the term name and also the subject name. Okay. Okay, let's execute this. So it says that mathematics highest mark is 90. Then the next question, what is the highest mark obtained in the second term science subject? That means the same as the before query. So we have to change here only the subject name and the term name. So okay, so then I'm going to write the query again here as the same manner. Select max. Student exam mark record dot marks as highest mark for science from okay, this is the query. So then let's execute it. It means record where condition has been missed by me. Okay, let's execute this. Okay, it says that the highest mark for the science subject in the second term is 95. Okay, let's move on to the next question. What is the highest mark obtained by the students for all the subjects in the second term? So then it says that highest mark obtained by the students for all the subjects in the second term. So then, okay, let's write the query for that. I'm deleting this query. Then I have to select the max. So then this is the query. Then I'm going to execute it. It says that the second term highest mark is 98.5. That means for all the subjects. Then the next question, which subject got the highest marks in the second term? So we have to find the subject name which had gained the highest mark for the second term. So then let's write the query for that. Okay, this is the query, so let's execute it. So then it says that Sinhala language and literature is the subject name which got the highest mark in the second term. So next question, find the details of the student who got the highest marks in the second term. So okay, then again let's write the query for that. So then you have to find the details of the student from the student table where the index number is equal to the index number in the student exam mark record table, where the marks are the greatest, that means the maximum marks in that table, and also where this where close, so we have to close this again, then the semicolon. Then let's execute this at line 12. So here in index number in, so it should be closed here, and this should be closed also, and this should be also closed now. So we have to write another closing bracket. Okay. So okay, let's execute this. Let us say that Sachitra Vikramasinghe. Sachitra Vikramasinghe is the female. That means who owns the index number STU_003 is the student who got the highest marks in the second term. So let's write the query for the last question. Find the details of the student who got the highest marks in the mathematics in the first term examination and the class in which he is studying. So here this query is much complicated other than this fifth question also. So okay, anyway, let's write the query for that. Now I'm deleting this. So then let's write the code for that. So this is the query. Then here this closing bracket is for these, and this closing bracket has been closed here also, and this should be closed here, then semicolon. Okay, let's execute this. It says that in line 16. Okay, another closing bracket should be stayed here. Okay, then let's execute this. It says that Amanda Moses is the student who owns the index number STO004, that she is the student who got the highest marks in the mathematics in the first term examination, and her class is 11A. So okay, this is how I have answered for the question set 21 also, and here I have to write the queries for these questions only. So okay, anyway, thank you for joining with me in this video also, and let's meet with a nice video again in my video series.